Hello friends, welcome to channel. So in today's video I am going to share some information about or few easy steps about how to create a Donald chart in the Tableau. So I was just scrolling through my YouTube channel and I found one comment was waiting for the same answer, and I thought why not to create a video on this and show you how to create a Donald chart. So I have loaded the sample superstore data set into my Tableau desktop version, and now I'm going to create a Donald chart. So watch this video very carefully. If possible, take a pen and a paper to write down the steps. To create a donut chart, we need at least one dimension or one or many measures, because this is a basic criteria to create a pie chart, and from pie chart we will create a donut chart. So we will pick up one dimension. Let's take it the region into the column. So we have dragged region into the Tableau work plane over here. Now we have four categories: central, east, west, south. Now we will pick up profit or sales. Let's use sales and drag it over here. So you can see we have four horizontal bar chart. In the show me panel we have the option to select pie chart, so we will select pie chart over here, and see we have a beautiful pie chart created for us. Let me make it as an entire view so it will look good. Are you clear till here? Now we need to create a Donald chart out of this. So what we will do, we will create a dummy axis. There are two ways, but considering the latest version of Tableau, I will tell you how to do it. You have to write axis, create a calculated field for 1. You have to simply type 1 in the calculated field and hit OK. Now axis fill is created in measures. You have to simply drag it in rows. So when you drag it in rows, you will see for each region there is a separate circle with different color is created. No need to worry, just right click on the axis and select attribute. Simple. So we are back with our pie chart. Okay, so this is our axis. Now you have to simply create a duplicate of axis, right? Control select and drag the pill next to each other like this. Now we have two pie charts with us. So from marks card, in second or in first mark type, you have to remove the details of pie chart. So I am going to remove it from second one. See, the second pie chart is turned into gray color. I will mark it as a white color and apply a black boundary to this. I will increase the size a bit for the both pie charts like this. Now what I will do, I will use a dual axis feature. I will do the dual axis and boom, my charts are now merged. Let me reduce a size a bit. Okay, perfect. So we'll drag the cells in the label. This is the sales number, and I will drag the cells in the text of the first chart. So here we go. Now I have the cells for all region. I have the total cells present in the center of the chart. Alright, so this is how you can create a Doughnut chart. Hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button and share your thoughts into the comment section. Hope these steps are clear to you. Do let me know your thoughts on this. And let's say if you want to control the region through a parameter in the same Doughnut chart, there is a way. If you want to know, do let me know. I will create video on that also. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.